Rolling off the tongue, the art of smooth speech. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, roll off the tongue. This expression is a gem in English conversations, and understanding it can add a nice touch to your communication skills. So, let's explore what it means for something to roll off the tongue and how you can use this phrase in your daily English conversations. Roll off the tongue is a phrase used to describe words, names, or phrases that are easy to pronounce and sound pleasing when spoken. It refers to the effortless way some words can be said, almost as if they're flowing smoothly out of your mouth. This expression is often used for words that are melodious, simple to remember, and easy to say, making your speech sound more natural and fluent. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. Some names just roll off the tongue, like Lily or Max. Certain phrases, like time flies or wishful thinking, roll off the tongue because of their rhythm and simplicity. Notice how these words and phrases don't require much effort to pronounce? That's the essence of what it means to roll off the tongue. You can use roll off the tongue in various situations. When you're trying to pick a name for something, and you want it to sound smooth and appealing. In writing or speech, to describe a term or phrase that sounds particularly eloquent or easy to say. When giving feedback on brand names, slogans, or titles, suggesting they should be catchy and easy to remember. Improving your English to make it roll off the tongue involves practice and attention to rhythm, pace, and pronunciation. Here are some tips. Read aloud regularly to become comfortable with the flow of English. Practice tongue twisters to improve dexterity and pronunciation. Listen to native speakers and mimic their rhythm and pace. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, roll off the tongue, in your English conversations. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in exploring such expressions and incorporating them into your speech. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.